Herbert Peabody and Clementine's snow peas. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Would you like a teapot tea? Yes, please. While we read a letter from Clementine, all about growing snow peas. Dear Uncle Herbie, I have exciting news to share. The potted garden worm helped us plant. We give it lots of love and care. We found some snow pea seeds. So we put soil in a pot. We patted down the soil and planted the seeds in their growing spot. We gave them a drink of water, and I wanted to know what the seeds would do as they began growing now. Soil and water feed the seed, and it germinates roots and sprout. A seedling forms and pokes through the soil to form a plant which branches out. The plant then grows a flower bud, which develops into a flower. Bees then come along and bring pollinating power. Our snow peas now form pods. There were so many growing, each one forming from the seeds we were sowing. It took a few weeks as our snow peas grew. Then it was time to harvest our peas. It was super exciting. I kept thinking of recipes. We trimmed our fresh snow peas and cut some carrot too, and served our dish with some hummus. We think you would love this too. With lots of love from Clementine. And everyone at Mulberry Tree Farm wants to say, we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.